Good morning from the beautiful Legacy Vacation Resort in Kissimmee. It is, what's the time now, sorry? It's 8:39 in the morning. It's first day. I've been up since probably 4:30, and actually got out of bed about 6ish. I'll insert some footage of the sunrise now. So as you can see, it's pretty beautiful here. Again, just this is my view now. The sun's up out the window here. It's looking pretty good. So we've got the pool over here. There's like a splash pad and everything over here. There's a bar, clubhouse and stuff over there, all around this lake, which is beautiful. I won't show you around the villa. It's a bit of a mess because we are just unpacking at the moment. So we're going to head out now. We're going to head into IHOP to grab some breakfast. Then we're going to head to Publix, and then we're going to hit the pool for a bit before it gets too hot. Temperature at the moment is 36 degrees. It is 8:30 in the morning, so it's hopefully going to get hotter today, but we'll see. Anyway, enjoy, and I'll see you at breakfast. Alright, I'll fess up. So that was the only bit I filmed. So here's some coffee. Here's all us smiling before the food came. We had a really good chow down. It was great. You know, plenty of fried foods. It was all lovely. And Kate has been slightly healthier with an Eggs Benedict. Anyway, back to you, Andy.
We're gonna swim. Hello, everybody. We are in Orlando. We got here actually yesterday, but well, we're already tired, so I didn't record. But we're here now, and we're about to see from my outfit. It's really hot. We're gonna go swimming right now. I got everything. I got my snorkel, and I got my goggles, and we're ready to go.
Let's go, Lee.
Here we go. Pick them both up. Here we go.
Right, let's go for a little stroll over to the pool.
It's so hot. Finn, go straight. Yeah.
Ethan can't.
Oh, this is a bit of a dad tour around. Yeah. When he came
Go through the splash pad over there.
This weekend away is not working. Hat.
I don't want to get it wet. I'm just going to do that.
Come on then. Don't take your flip-flops off, Kate. The floor is lava. The floor is lava. I wonder if they can light the fire pit now.
I think it's a bit hot.
It's quite nice in the evening though.
Yeah, maybe in the middle of December.
Yeah. No, it's pretty hot.
Yeah. Pull it. And pull Kate towards you. That's it.
shoes. Right, here we go. It's really hot on the floor. Here we go. In the water. Oh, it's lovely. Tell me where I can jump in.
So what were you saying? What were you saying? You don't think you've ever been in a pool?
I've never been in a pool and getting in is just heaven. I'm always cold.
Oh yeah, and now it's hot.
It's actually really warm.
It is really warm. Definitely, it's a swimming pool. Haven't got that on camera.
How far can you go down? Yeah.
2,000 years later. Okay, so let's just have a look at this British section, or European section as they call it, in Publix. It's a pretty pricey chocolate, $2.5, $3.5. I'd buy $5 for some custard. Let's go and have a look round. So kind of an abrupt end to the end of the vlog. It was just so hot, so we rounded out with some movies by the pool, a couple of cocktails, and from Kate and I. If you like this video, like it, and if you love it, subscribe. And remember guys, tomorrow is another day, and check out next week's vlog.